Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn about simple and compound sentences with lots of examples and practice questions. Let's get started. What is a simple sentence? A simple sentence is a sentence that tells a complete idea and has only one main clause. Think of it like one thought in one sentence. The dog barked, I love chocolate. Types of simple sentences. Declarative, tells something, I like apples. Interrogative, asks something, do you like apples? Imperative, gives a command, please close the door. Exclamatory, shows excitement, what a beautiful sunset. How to make a simple sentence. You need a subject, who or what, and a predicate, what they do. You can also add extra details like adjectives or adverbs. She runs fast. The small cat slept on the mat. More examples. The sun rises. Birds are singing. I read books every day. We went to the park. She danced beautifully. He is my best friend. Quick practice. Identify the subject and predicate. The children played in the garden. What type is this sentence? Please bring me a glass of water. Make your own simple sentence about your favorite food. Part 2. Compound sentences. What is a compound sentence? A compound sentence joins two or more simple sentences with a coordinating word or punctuation. Coordinating conjunctions. Fanboys. For, and nor, but or yet so examples. I wanted to go for a walk, but it started raining. She likes tea, and he likes coffee. How to make a compound sentence. Comma plus conjunction. I like pizza and I like burgers. Semicolon, I like pizza, I also like burgers. Semicolon plus conjunctive word plus comma, I like pizza. However, I don't eat it often. More examples. I wanted to buy a book, but the shop was closed. She is very kind and everyone likes her. We can watch a movie or we can play a board game. He didn't study for the test, yet he passed it. Quick practice. Combine these. I am tired. I will finish my homework. Rewrite with a semicolon. The sun is shining. The birds are singing. Combine. She loves to dance. He loves to sing. Turning simple sentences into compound sentences. Try these. I like ice cream. I like cake. He went to the park. It started raining. She is reading a book. He is playing football. Example answers. I like ice cream and I like cake. He went to the park, but it started raining. She is reading a book and he is playing football. That's it. Now you know how to make simple sentences, compound sentences, and even turn simple sentences into compound sentences. Keep practicing, and soon it will be super easy.